Here's how to connect Figma to Claude AI. Open the Claude desktop app and click your profile icon in the bottom left corner. Go to Settings, then Connectors. Click Browse Connectors and scroll through the list until you find Figma, or use the search bar to find it faster. Click on Figma. Before you can connect, you need a paid Claude plan. The free tier does not support connectors. If you are on the free plan, click Upgrade and select at least the Pro plan. Once you have a paid plan, return to the Figma connector page and click Connect. Follow the authorization prompts to link your Figma account. Once authorized, Claude can access your Figma files, and you can ask it to analyze designs, generate code from components, summarize decision designs, and more directly in your Claude conversations. A tip: you control exactly what Claude can access during the authorization step. Review the permissions carefully and only grant access to the Figma workspaces relevant to what you need help with. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.